welcome back to another amazing video. Now this video, guys, was requested by a viewer, and we're going to be making some callaloo juice. I will also put in the callaloo juice some ginger, lime and cucumber just to balance out the flavor. Now to sweeten, we're going to use some agave. This is completely optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. You can just have it just as is. Alright, so let's get straight into this video. Now let me tell you something about callaloo, guys. If you can't find any other vegetable, this dark green leafy vegetable is actually high in vitamin C. It's very good as an antioxidant, very strong in iron for us ladies who have our monthlies. Yes, so get yourself some callaloo. It's pretty affordable now, guys, at the market, especially where I shop. It's $70 per bunch. So you just want to get yourself some callaloo and juice them and just get your body going for, especially in this time that we're in. So man, come on, while you're waiting, and start juicing, start take care of yourself, and your body will thank you for it. Okay, a lot of persons ask me if I recommend the tin callaloo. I do not recommend the tin callaloo to make juice, because remember, most of its nutritional value are cooked out, and that solution that it's in, I do not recommend tin callaloo for juicing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is to just add some lime. And remember, if you don't have callaloo, you can have whatever vegetable that is at your market. Guys, eat what you grow and grow what you eat. You don't have to purchase any international vegetable or fruit to live a healthy lifestyle. You can do so with just things that are available to you, easily accessible to you. Yeah man, you can do that. Just start going in the markets a lot and you'll see a lot of stuff in there. And this is even better than the store-bought green juice. So much nutrients is in this one. I hope you guys enjoy making it. There you have it, guys, a nice bowl of callaloo juice, rich in vitamin C. What are you waiting on to have some? Make yourself some. Tag me on Instagram. Keep up with me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.